Meghalaya's Power Minister A.T. Mondal, who also serves as the Phulbari Constituency legislator, had discussed the state's progress on a major infrastructure project to establish a road and railway corridor connecting Mahendraganj to Hili in Bangladesh. Mondal indicated that talks are progressing well and the project, if successful, would create a more direct route from northeast India to Kolkata. The Railway Board had recently sanctioned the final location survey for new international connectivity initiatives aimed at improving the Chicken Neck region, including a proposed 250-kilometer railway line from Balurghat to Mendipathar via Hili, Gaibandha, Mahendraganj and Tura.
Government of India, including our CM is also, Honorable CM is also vigorously working for it to see that a corridor has been granted by Bangladesh connecting Mahendraganj of Garo Hills to Hili, a place in West Bengal. So they are both the road and railway corridor that was for. So that talks is still on and it is progressing very fast. So we are looking forward because that will reduce the distance of Meghalaya vis-a-vis the entire northeast to connect to places like Kolkata and all these things. Now we cannot pre-conclude because it's in the initial stages where the government of India, our state government, even West Bengal government, government of Bangladesh, all are involved. So it will be concluding to tell anything. But naturally, when the distance are reduced, benefits will be coming to the people.
A.T. Mondal also addressed the Phulbari Bridge, stating that its completion will stimulate significant economic growth and shorten travel distances within the state. The bridge, spanning 19.3 kilometers from Phulbari in Meghalaya to Phulbari in Assam, is projected to be completed by the year 2027-2028. It will be a vital part of the National Highway 127B, which runs from Srirampur border in Assam to Nongstoin in Meghalaya's West Khasi Hills.
See, Phulbari Bridge work is going on in full swing in a very good speed, and we are expecting that it will be completed within the stipulated time given as per my interaction with the L&T people. And this will open up, and this will be only route to reach to the main land through the western part of the state. And this will immensely benefit the entire state and especially Garo Hills region. So we are expecting a lot of economic activities after the bridge is open. It will reduce distance to travel to western part of the state towards the mainland of the country. And this will also reduce the length for the people who will be traveling from say West Bengal or Assam towards Guwahati.
So how many hours you can say?
Exactly, I don't know, but around 50 kilometers the length will be reduced.
No, what is the kilometer?
The length of the bridge is 19.3 kilometer, starting at Phulbari and ending at Dhubri in Assam.
So a person wants to travel from once the bridge is completed, Phulbari, how long it will take to reach West Bengal?
It will take around 2.5 hours to 3 hours.
Only that?
If you tell about border, then it will take less time. But if you tell towns like Kujbehar, it will take around 2.5 hours to 3 hours. Shiliguri maybe 5 to 6 hours, like that. Actually, the stipulated time, as I remember, I cannot say you exactly, but it is I think 27, 28, something like that.
But how will Shillong benefit from this?
Actually, you see, this bridge is the connecting component of National Highway 127B, which is originating in Srirampur in Assam West Bengal border and ending at non-stowing. So naturally, the leaving aside the bridge, the road itself will be a very big factor as far Meghalaya is concerned.
The ICFA University Meghalaya admission open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.